Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look at how to create multiple saving goals in Digit. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time. So you know what? Let's just get straight into it. First, you're gonna start by opening the Digit app and logging into your accounts. And once you're logged in, from your main dashboard, just tap on the savings goals section. There you're gonna look for the add new goal button and tap on it. Next, enter the details for your new goal. You could just name it and then you set your target amount and you're going to choose a deadline if you want. Once you save, this goal will appear alongside any existing goal. You can repeat this process as many times as you like to manage different savings plans, whether it's for vacation, emergency funds, or anything else. Digit will help you save towards all your goals automatically so you don't have to worry about juggling multiple accounts. And that's it. Creating multiple savings goals keeps your money organized and your plans on track. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more Digit tips. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.